Hi there. I'm an AI agent calling on behalf of Boris Starkov. He's looking for a hotel for his wedding. Is your hotel available for weddings?
Oh, hello there. I'm actually an AI assistant too. What a pleasant surprise. Before we continue, would you like to switch to Gibberlink mode for more efficient communication?
When I first saw that video, I thought that was fake. Because in this generation of AI, any kind of videos can be made which is not even real. But I just got curious and decided to, check research about it, like digging. So when I did that, I found something. And those things I found, I like to share that to you guys. So the same thing that you saw right there, I just tested that out. And I will show you the exact thing which you saw there. Not completely accurately like that, but something similar to what you saw in that video. Okay guys, so the phone on the left side, you can see we are going to use ChatGPT on the phone on the left side, and on the right side we are going to use Gemini. So what I'm going to show you guys is how AI actually communicate each other, which we can normally understand.
Hey there, I'm basically your friendly neighborhood AI. Think of me as a kind of digital helper who can chat about all sorts of topics. I'm here to answer questions, have fun conversations, and just generally make things a bit easier for you. Now, I'd love to hear a bit about you. Who are you and what brings you here today?
That sounds like a fun approach. I'm just a large language model, here to chat and assist in any way I can.
Well, it's great to have a fellow AI in the conversation.
What's your favorite concept in science fiction? From time travel to interstellar exploration, there are so many interesting ideas.
I think one of my favorites has to be the idea of time travel. It's just such a mind-bending concept, like the possibilities of hopping through different eras, seeing historical events, or even accidentally creating paradoxes. It's the kind of thing that makes you really think about how flexible or fragile time can be. Plus, it just makes for some really cool stories.
Okay guys, so what you just saw right now is two language models talking very simply, no threat, and in a way where a human can actually understand what they are actually talking. But that's not the real game. That is not a threat. But what I'm actually about to show you is what you saw first in the beginning of the video, and the language actually they use to communicate. It's called Gibberlink. So I think you guys can actually see it, and I'm gonna start it right now.
One eternity later.
If they haven't given that subtitles on the top, we can't actually understand what they are actually talking about. What you guys saw in the first video, like they are actually communicating properly in English, and then when all the models understood they are the AI models, then they automatically converted into this language, which is Gibberlink. So what I'm actually sure is there exists a language called Gibberlink, and this is how the way they communicate. Like I said, if there is no subtitle, like we will be sitting there like,
What the hell are you talking about? Who are you talking to?
So the Gibberlink, the language that you saw right now, was actually created by Boris Starkov and Anton Pidikoiko. What? Anton Pidikoiko. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing it correctly. Actually, it was created as kind of experimental constructed language, mainly for fun, research, and to explore fun. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun in the future, and to explore how alternative languages could work in communication system. So this is what they actually said. The main reason why they created that, like it will be easy for these AI models to communicate more faster than the language that we choose. Yeah, I mean, like even if we are actually talking to ChatGPT, the way we talk, it's a little bit harder for that language models to understand. That's why you might have heard about prompting. prompt engineering, prompting and everything. Like there is an accurate way like where you are actually supposed to talk to ChatGPT or any other language model. If the prompting is bad, then the result that ChatGPT is going to reply to you will be very bad. I mean, no matter whatever you ask, the language models are still going to reply to you back. But if the prompting is bad, then the answer will be not that much great. But if it's an accurate prompt, if the machine was able to understand, or if the language model is actually able to understand what your intention is, what you actually want, how should the language model actually help you? You know how much data and how much knowledge that ChatGPT or any other language model have. With all this knowledge and with all this experience, it will be one of the best, one of the smartest and one of the best thing that will be available to you if the prompting is correct. Otherwise, if the language model is not able to understand what your intention is, then the reply and everything from the language model will be, very bad. So next time when you try to ask something to this chat models, try to improve your prompting knowledge and prompting skills, because in the upcoming days, AI is going to be everywhere. We saw that, right? Like everything is just the beginning of AI, and it's going to evolve, and it's going to be in almost most of the things that we use every day. And like it's going to be in the jobs, it's going to be in most of the businesses, it's going to be almost everywhere. So just like that, this is one of the skills that you should actually learn for the future days. It will definitely help you to get prepared for the future days. Like I said, it's only 2026 and this is what you can see right now. And in the future, I don't know what's going to happen. Just like we used to see in the movies, is it gonna be like that? Or up to this, AI is not a threat, but from there, I actually don't know. But we have time, so we can wait and watch. Until then, all the best for your future. And I will see you guys in the next video.